Welcome to another episode of the.
32 Action!
Welcome to another episode of the Breakaway Explorer. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far, and thank you so much for clicking that thumbnail. I know it was terrible, and you still decided to give a new tuber like me a chance. So yeah, you are. What the hell is the line? You are quite possibly a new person clicking on this video, so let me give an introduction. My name is Rishabh and I travel all over the country with my friend over here. Okay, and today what we're planning is going to Vandri Lake and Dekale Dam. It's in Palghar, which is about 2.5 hours from Mumbai via bike and via train as well if you are going via Mumbai locals, and it is quite a stunning place. Here are some of the pictures which I'll attach, and yeah, and we are starting again from RA, which is yet again a stunning piece of beauty in Mumbai, the green lung of Mumbai. And yeah, let me just put up that weird road montage which almost everyone does, and I'll see you on the road. Wait. You have stuck around till now? Thank you so much. Usually people just leave around 30-second mark. I don't know, I'm just trying my level best to churn out as much beautiful videos as possible, but sometimes, As you can see, it is raining quite heavily now. And I don't have a raincoat because I'm an idiot. But that's alright. The views are worth it, I would say. I don't know if you're able to reach, if my voice is able to reach on the bike, but look at this view. Although the rains were a bit of a trouble, but I would say the journey was worth it. I felt amazing getting drenched into the rain though. It's alright. As an adult, I think I might be one of the very few people left who are adults who like to get drenched in the rain. I know, we are all used to the fast-paced life and just doom scrolling, But sometimes it's okay to sit back and relax, I guess, and have a look at these amazing views. I'm glad you stuck around till now. Look at this amazing delta, man. This was stunning. To be honest, the roads were absolute perfection. Having been lived in Mumbai for majority portion of my life, I just did not expect the quality of roadworks just outside of Mumbai. No digging, nothing. Stunning work. The views were absolutely mind-blowing. Just look at this, the clouds falling down on the hills. Wow. So, we have stopped for a tea break now. As you saw, that I got completely wet. No.
That's what she said!
I got completely drenched in the rain, but it was fun. Although I do need some tea to function now, otherwise I'm gonna fall sick. But it was absolutely stupendous job.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
It was absolutely stupendous, and I am someone who actually likes to get drenched in the rain, and this tea is also quite good. We had some vada pav as usual, and then we're gonna head on out to Dekale Dam, which is 4.5 kilometers from where we are now. We should reach there in about 15-20 minutes. Let's see you there. We weren't actually allowed to go to the dam because of the heavy rains. Take two. We weren't actually allowed to go to the dam because of the heavy rains, as you can see right now. And say hi to little doggo. Anyway, actually makes sense because due to this red alert, the dam has the probability of overflowing, and it can cause issues if people go down, because people really don't care about the alerts which is being provided by the government, and they just go inside. For some reason, they just don't care. So as a precautionary measure, the government has decided to block off the entry towards the dam. However, this entire area is also pretty stunning, no? Look at this. This is actually the road less taken, and as you know, maybe you don't know, so I'll just tell you, I am a big fan of the road less taken, and I'm a big fan of getting wet. But anyway, enjoy this view, I guess. We'll figure out where we can head out to. Maybe there's a beach nearby, Palghar Beach. We can go over there, and if you're planning to come to this dam, what's the name of the dam, bro? Dakeli. Dekale Dam. If you're planning to come to Dekale Dam, make sure that you come during the weekdays and not the weekends, because the number of people is too much, way too much. But man, this feels good, yeah. This feels good, isn't it? Let me show you the background. It's pretty stunning. Look at this view, man. This is absolutely stunning. Okay, dam plan cancel, but this is no less. This is absolutely stunning. I am enjoying myself, and look at this view. Yeah, what a view. The entire mountains covered with clouds. You can see the heavy thunderstorm going on around. Wow, absolutely stunned. I'm starting to think that the beach might be a better idea. Although there will be sand. I'm not a big fan of sand getting into my shoes, because these are my main shoes. Anyway, it's all about having fun and enjoying the time you are having. Because wow. Woo! Yeah. Wow. The rain has finally stopped, and it was stunning, man. The way the rain just came, the downpour. The way it downpoured, man, it was stunning. We took a few pictures, did a little bit of a photo shoot session over here, and now the mountains, or hills, they're not actually mountains, they're hills, small hills, are looking particularly stunning in the small backdrop of clouds falling down on the hills, I guess. Looks good. You have to be here. You have to see this with your own eyes to register that beauty in your mind. And yeah, we have decided that we are going to head on out to the beach and have some food, maybe some seafood, maybe vada pav again. Those of you who don't know what vada pav is, it's just a potato fritter between buns. It's like an Indian version of burger. Yeah. Anyway, we are going to enjoy the view a little bit longer, and then we're going to head on out to the beach, and I'll see you guys over there. Maybe a little bit of a road montage, I don't know. Quite a spectacular view, isn't it? I think my recommendation to anyone who is traveling to Mumbai would be that you should travel during monsoons, because it looks beautiful. The entire periphery of Mumbai is stunning. The nearby waterfalls, the Malsej Ghat is open, the Lonavala is open, Matheran is open. Quite a lot of waterfalls to experience, quite a lot of on-road waterfalls to experience. Quite stunning. Anyway, it's green now, signal's green, let's go ahead. Well, we did reach the beach, but the problem was it was so windy that I just could not record any clip with functionality. I mean, I just couldn't use them. So here's just a clip of the beach. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you had fun maybe exploring a YouTuber like me, and I'm just glad that you stuck around. And as always, I love you. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one.